Hello, crafty friends. Today I have the next Graphic 45 collection out. This is one of their newer collections for the first 2026 release. It's called Always and Forever. I have the 8x8 collection, the patterns and solids, and the ephemera. This is what I'm going to be using to create a mini album kit. Now, a couple days ago, I released a video for the Scenic Route collection. That's the one that I will be working on next, and then Always and Forever will be after that. So this will likely come out in April. So this collection is soft colors. It's got a wedding vibe to it. I think it does have some pieces that would be appropriate for a birthday as well. But I saw this and I planned to use this as a wedding mini album. So I'm just going to go through these papers and give you a little peek at the collection. I love butterflies, so any type of paper with butterflies on it is always cute. So we've got this paper here. I love this with the flowers. I think it would make a great collection for a springtime wedding especially. It could be for any season, but I always think of lighter colors in terms of spring. This is pretty paper. I'm not sure yet what type of album I'm going to be creating. Obviously it'll be a mini album, but I don't have a size in mind. I don't have a shape in mind. I don't have a cover in mind, anything at all yet. So I do have some time since I will be starting on the Scenic Route collection before this one. I definitely know that I will be using some chipboard flower pieces just because I think that definitely will go well. Probably some butterflies as well. I do have some chipboard butterflies. So that is something that I will also likely be adding in. We've got our journaling cards here. But if you have any ideas, suggestions, or things that you would like to see with this album, go ahead and leave me a comment. I love to hear from you, so feel free to let me know what you think. This will be available as a mini album kit with everything pre-cut. I only purchased a couple sets of the papers. I wasn't sure how popular a pre-cut album like this would be, since I think some people would obviously not be interested if they're not looking for a wedding album. I could be very wrong about that though, so let me know what you think in the comments. Once I have that album kit done, I will also have the assembly guide and cutting guides as a tutorial available for sale as well, like I have with my other album kits. Now these are the patterns and solids. So we've got a nice gold stripe. This one is similar to the one that was in the 8x8 collection. Got that nice green color. So very subtle patterns and solids here with this collection, which is nice. So it can be used in a lot of ways to break up that pattern paper, or as I like to use it a lot of times, for those spaces for the photos to go. And then we have our ephemera. So in addition to my chipboard pieces, I generally pick up the ephemera because I like to use these over top of some of the photos to add some decorations to those photo spots. So let's see what we've got here. We've got lots of little pieces in here, some different things. And again, just seeing this collection, it definitely makes me think of wedding vibes. But I'm pretty sure I did see one that said happy birthday, one of these pieces. So maybe we'll come to that. So it could be used for other things. I guess it really just depends too on how you position the papers and the embellishments that you would put on it. There it is. So there is a happy birthday piece. So as I'm thinking about a wedding album, I would likely take anything out like that and not use that piece. We've got a pretty good variety here. We've got big frames, ooh, some little frames. If you really like frames, you could cut the centers out of this. Well, that one is cut. This one is not. Centers out and use those. Same thing for this. Got some bigger pieces. I struggle with using the bigger pieces in my mini albums because sometimes I feel like it just takes over the entire page in the album. But I do like these little tiny pieces. They're probably my favorite thing to add to my albums. So we've got these pieces here. All kinds of little stuff that perfectly matches this collection. I know I do have a butterfly cover. I've actually used it on 2 different albums. I used it on my Flutter album, and I used it on I think it was a Ciao Bella paper collection that I have a playlist for. But it's a little bit larger, so I probably would not use that size for this album because I don't think I'd have enough paper for the kit. But I think that would be really cute too. But I'm not sure if for a wedding, if you'd want the focus to be butterflies or more specific to the actual wedding theme here. I would love to know your thoughts. Butterfly cover, something completely different, something specific to a wedding, I'm thinking possibly. I don't know. Have no ideas yet at this point. I do have some time to think about it. So again, if you have some suggestions, some thoughts, or some ideas or things that you would love to see, let me know in the comments below. Now I am going to be listing this as a pre-order. So again, completely sight unseen. If you would like to purchase the mini album kit before it's even designed, I will link that in the description box below. It will be $5 off until I post that album kit for sale when it's available in stock. So there will be a bit of a wait for this album. So obviously if you're wanting to wait, understandably so. But if you know for sure that this is a kit that you would want to purchase, then I will have that link available for you. And I will see you in the next video.